Let's be real. Most business idea videos are just the same 5 boring concepts in a different font. If one more person tells you to build an AI tool with no context, yeah, no thanks. You're not here for vague advice or copy-paste startup cliches. You want SaaS ideas that are sharp, specific, and actually make sense in 2025, not 5 trends ago. So I sifted through the noise, the hype, the recycled Twitter threads, the dead-end side hustles, and pulled out the real stuff. 11 micro SaaS ideas that solve real problems, ride real trends, and have real potential to pay your bills. Let's get into the ones that are actually worth your time. Here's the deal. These ideas aren't dusty theories pulled from some MBA textbook. They're the ones sitting right under everyone's nose, waiting for someone bold enough to grab them. Each one's tied to a real shift in how the world actually works, the kind that separates real opportunities from startup graveyard filler. Not just what's popular, but what's profitable. Think of it like a treasure map, but instead of X marks the spot, it's more like profit hides here. So what's the first stop on that map? Let's get into it. The first idea is AI-powered content optimization and creation. Let's kick things off with the most explosive trend out there, artificial intelligence, specifically how it's changing content. The market for AI-powered content creation is rocketing, projected to grow from $2.9 billion in 2024 to over $7.7 billion by 2029. This isn't just a fad, it's a fundamental change in how businesses work. The problem, every business today is a content creator, from the local bakery to a global tech company. They need blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, and email newsletters just to stay relevant. The demand for great content is endless, but the time and creative energy of marketing teams are not. Marketers are burning out trying to feed the content machine across a dozen different platforms, each with its own rules and best practices. They're struggling to keep up quality and consistency, and most importantly, to see any real results from their efforts. Just churning out text isn't enough anymore. The solution to this is an AI-powered content optimization and repurposing engine. This isn't just another generic AI writer, this is a specialized tool that focuses on making your content work harder after it's been created. Imagine a dashboard where a user pastes in a blog post or a video transcript. Your tool then uses AI to do 4 different things. The first is to generate platform-specific snippets. It instantly creates a dozen variations for social media. A smart Twitter thread, a professional LinkedIn post, a visual-centric Instagram caption, and a friendly Facebook update. Then to analyze and enhance for SEO. The tool scans the content and suggests SEO improvements like finding keyword gaps or writing better headlines that match what people are searching for. Next, it creates multimedia assets. It could grab key quotes and design simple, branded graphics for social media. It could even generate a short audiogram-style video clip from a key section, perfect for reels or shorts. And lastly, it suggests smart links. To boost SEO, the tool could recommend relevant links to other pages on the user's site and suggest authoritative external sources to cite. How do we know this idea actually makes sense this year? The market for AI SEO tools is massive, and with marketers already using AI for content creation and optimization, the demand for smarter tools is exploding. Some companies solve parts of this puzzle, but a single platform that takes one piece of content and squeezes every drop of value out of it for every channel is a huge opportunity. You're not selling a gadget, you're selling efficiency, wider reach, and a better return on investment. The second idea is hyper-niche social media schedulers. The social media management space looks crowded, but that's actually a good thing. The dominance of big, generic tools creates a massive opportunity for hyper-niche solutions. The problem, a real estate agent, a fitness coach, and a dentist all use social media, but what they need is completely different. Generic schedulers give them a blank slate, which is overwhelming for a small business owner who isn't a marketing pro. The realtor needs templates for new listings and market updates. The fitness coach needs to post workout clips and client testimonials. Using a generic tool, they waste hours trying to figure out what to post and how to make it work for their specific industry. The solution for this idea is a niche social media scheduler. Instead of building one tool for everybody, you build the perfect tool for one specific industry. For example, a social scheduler for realtors would come preloaded with features just for them, like an industry-specific template, ready-to-use templates for just listed, open house, and sold announcements, or a feature for niche content ideas. A library of pre-written post ideas, real estate humor, and market update prompts to fill their calendar in minutes. How about curated hashtag sets, pre-researched hashtag groups for different property types, number luxury homes, number first-time homebuyer, and locations, or it could make compliance reminders. For industries with strict advertising rules, the tool could include checklists to make sure they include necessary disclaimers. What makes this idea hit and prove that people want it? In a mature market, specialization wins. While the big guys compete on having the most features, you compete on deep expertise. Customers aren't just buying a scheduler, they're buying your industry knowledge baked into the software. This makes your product stickier because switching to a generic tool would feel like a huge step backward. This is a proven strategy, and you could apply this model to dozens of industries: dentists, authors, podcasters, coffee shop owners, and more. The next idea is AI-powered tools for remote teams. Remote work is here to stay, and it's a core part of the modern economy. The market for remote work tools is growing at over 21% a year, which means there are constantly new problems waiting to be solved. The problem: companies are moving past the basic "how do we talk to each other" phase of remote work and are hitting new, more subtle challenges. One of the biggest is losing track of important information. A key decision gets made in a Zoom call that half the team missed, or an important discussion gets buried in a sea of Slack messages. New hires spend weeks trying to figure out why things are the way they are, and everyone wastes time searching for that one document they vaguely remember. The company's memory is scattered and hard to access. The solution to this is an AI-powered conversation and meeting summarizer. This tool would plug into a company's communication platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet to create a smart, searchable archive of everything. It could automated meeting summaries so that it automatically transcribes, summarizes, and pulls out key decisions and action items from every recorded video call. How about for intelligent channel digests? Instead of scrolling through hundreds of Slack messages, an employee could get a daily or weekly summary of the most important discussions and outcomes. And it could do a cross-platform search. This is the killer feature. Someone could ask, what was the final call on the Q4 marketing budget? And the tool would search across Slack, meeting transcripts, and connected documents to give a direct answer with links to the sources. Or how about new hire onboarding? Imagine a new hire asking, give me the history of Project Phoenix, and getting a timeline of every key discussion and decision. Why this works in 2025? Companies are actively investing in AI to make their distributed teams more efficient. This idea directly tackles the pain of information overload and knowledge loss, a problem that only gets worse as a company grows. You're moving beyond simple communication and into true knowledge management, which provides incredible compounding value over time. The fourth idea: next generation affiliate management tools. Affiliate marketing is a huge part of how businesses make money online, and the broader affiliate marketing industry is valued at over $18 billion. As the industry grows, so do the headaches. The problem: a lot of affiliate software is clunky. For businesses, setting up different commission rules can be a manual nightmare. For affiliates, the experience is often frustrating, with confusing reports, slow payouts, and a lack of tools to help them actually succeed. The biggest issue is often the delay between an affiliate making a sale and actually getting paid for it. The solution is a modern affiliate-first management platform. This tool would be built for flexibility and ease of use, especially for modern online businesses. It offers flexible commission rules, an easy-to-use builder that lets businesses create custom commission structures without code. For example, Pay 30% for the first 3 months, then 15% for life, but only on the Pro plan. Also, look at offering instant payouts. Integrate with services like Stripe or PayPal to offer instant or daily payouts. This is a massive competitive advantage when many programs pay out after 30 or 60 days. Maybe it offers an affiliate-centric dashboard. Most platforms are built for the business. Flip that. Build a best-in-class dashboard for the affiliates. Give them deep analytics on their clicks and conversion rates and provide ready-to-use promotional materials. And a big one for businesses, AI-powered fraud detection. Use AI to spot suspicious activity like click fraud, saving businesses a ton of money. Let's reality check this idea. The growth of e-commerce and the creator economy is fueling the affiliate market. A tool that creates a better experience for both the business and the affiliate becomes a powerful engine for everyone's growth. The key is to focus on the affiliate's experience. Happy, successful affiliates are the best marketing channel you can have. By giving them clear data, fast payouts, and better tools, you'll create a platform that attracts the best affiliates, which in turn makes your platform irresistible to businesses. Number 5, the evolution of link in bio tools. The link in bio is evolving. What started as a simple list of links is now a powerful microsite at the center of the booming creator economy. The problem: most link in bio tools are becoming commodities. They're all pretty much the same. But creators and small brands need more than just a list of links. They need to build a brand, capture emails, and sell products directly from that space. Right now, they have to patch together multiple services. One tool for links, another for email forms, and a third for selling digital goods. It's inefficient, expensive, and creates a clunky experience for their audience. The solution is to offer a modular link in bio website builder. This is more than a list of links. It's a tool that lets a creator build a custom branded microsite using different blocks. You would add custom domains and deep branding. Let users connect their own domain for a professional look. Offer tons of customization options, fonts, colors, layouts to perfectly match their brand. How about adding some modular blocks? This is the game changer. Instead of just link buttons, offer a variety of blocks, like an email capture block, which integrates with their email service, or a digital product block for selling PDFs, templates, or courses right from the page. A tip jar block to let their audience support them directly. Or add some entertainment with an embedded video block to showcase their latest YouTube video. Adding another tool for analytics and SEO. Provide detailed stats on which blocks get the most clicks and allow for basic SEO settings to help their page show up in search results. Or a tool that provides a clear upgrade path. Start with a free plan for basic links, then offer paid tiers that unlock more powerful blocks, custom domains, and better analytics. So how can we tell if this 2025 Micro SaaS idea is legit or just vibes? As the creator economy matures, creators are becoming real businesses. They need tools that can grow with them. The link in bio is no longer a temporary fix. It's a critical part of their sales funnel. A platform that lets them consolidate their tools, strengthen their brand, and make more money from a single hub is incredibly valuable. You're not just selling a link page, you're selling a business in a box for the modern creator. Number 6 is AI personalized micro-learning platforms. The market for AI in e-learning is already a multi-billion-dollar industry and is expected to grow from around $5 billion in 2025 to nearly $8 billion by 2029. The future of learning isn't in huge, one-size-fits-all courses, but in personalized, bite-sized lessons. The problem: traditional online courses have a massive completion problem. People buy a 20-hour video course with good intentions, but get overwhelmed. They don't know where to start or what's most relevant to them. The experience is passive and doesn't adapt. Professionals need to learn specific skills quickly to stay competitive, but they don't have time for a full-blown course. The solution is an AI-powered adaptive micro-learning platform for a niche skill. This platform would focus on a specific professional area like AI marketing for small businesses or financial modeling for startups. This could include something like an initial skill assessment. The user starts with an AI-driven quiz to see what they already know. Then you could add a personalized learning path. Based on the quiz, the AI creates a unique learning path made of short 5 to 10-minute lessons. If a user already gets a concept, they can skip it. If they're struggling, the AI offers extra resources. More than 60% of educators believe this AI-driven approach boosts engagement. Next, you would need adaptive quizzes that are spaced out and repetitive. The AI uses quiz results to reinforce weak spots and schedules future mini quizzes to make sure the knowledge sticks long term. Then, of course, gamification, because everyone wants to be a winner. Use points, badges, and leaderboards to keep learners motivated and show them a clear visual of their progress. Is this idea actually smart for 2025 or already outdated? The demand for personalized and adaptive learning is shaping the future of education. By combining bite-sized micro-learning with the power of AI personalization, you create a learning experience that's far more effective and engaging than a typical online course. Focusing on a specific high-value professional niche allows you to charge a premium for a tool that delivers real career results. The next idea is having simple, painless invoicing and billing for freelancers. Every business needs to send invoices, but existing tools are often either way too complicated or look unprofessional. This leaves a huge gap for a simple, elegant solution. The problem: freelancers and consultants are not accountants. They just want to get paid without having to learn complex software. They hate how long it takes to create invoices, how awkward it is to chase late payments, and how technical it can be to accept credit cards. They need a tool that makes them look professional and automates the most annoying parts of getting paid. The solution is a Zen invoicing and payment platform. The whole point of this tool is simplicity, speed, and automation. It needs effortless invoice creation, a clean, minimal interface where creating and sending a beautiful branded invoice takes less than 60 seconds. Something that's also a must-have is automated, polite reminders. And this is the core feature. The user sets a simple rule, like remind the client 3 days before the due date. The system then sends professionally written, polite email reminders automatically. This eliminates the task most freelancers dread. You also need one-click payments, seamless integration with Stripe and PayPal. The client gets an invoice with a simple Pay Now button, which dramatically speeds up payment times. Another great feature is for simple expense tracking, a no-fuss way to track business expenses, like forwarding an email receipt to a special address or snapping a photo of a physical one. What makes this idea make money now, not 3 years ago? This is a universal need. The freelance economy is always growing, so the customer base is huge. While competitors exist, many are bloated with features the average freelancer will never use. The opportunity is to be the most simple and automated solution. Users aren't just paying for software, they're paying to eliminate a recurring headache and get their time back. Idea 8 is for mini CRMs for underserved professional niches. CRM software is dominated by giants like Salesforce and HubSpot, but for a solo professional, those tools are like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. They're complex, expensive, and filled with features a small user will never touch. The problem: a freelance web designer, a therapist, and a personal injury lawyer all need to manage client relationships, but their workflows are completely different. A generic CRM forces them to use a system that doesn't understand their business, leading to clunky workarounds and wasted time. The solution is a purpose-built mini CRM for a specific profession. This is the niche down strategy applied to CRM. You build a CRM from scratch to manage the exact workflow of one profession. Take a CRM for interior designers, for example. You could add the following features, like custom pipeline stages instead of lead greater than opportunity. The stages would be consultation greater than mood board greater than proposal sent greater than project started. Adding some industry-specific fields, the client record would have fields for project address, budget, and a place to upload inspiration photos. Next, Add a few integrated workflow tools. The CRM could include a simple mood board creator, a budget tracker, and a vendor management section, also a client portal. A secure portal where the client can log in to view the latest mood board and approve proposals. Seeing if this 2025 Micro SaaS idea passes the "Would anyone care" test? Specialized tools for professional services are a massive, underserved market. Many small businesses are still stuck using spreadsheets because the big CRMs don't fit. By building a tool that speaks their language and mirrors their workflow, you create an indispensable part of their business. This allows for premium pricing because you're solving a high-value problem and replacing several other tools. The ninth idea is AI-powered social listening for small brands. Knowing what people are saying online about your brand is critical, but the tools for this, called social listening, are usually way too expensive for small businesses. The problem: a local restaurant or an Etsy shop owner needs to know if customers are complaining on Twitter or if a popular blogger reviewed their product. Without access to pricey tools, they're flying blind. They miss chances to engage with happy customers, fail to handle negative feedback before it spirals, and lose out on valuable insights about their competitors. The solution is an affordable, AI-powered social listening tool. This tool would make social listening accessible to everyone, like adding simple keyword monitoring. The user sets up keywords to track their brand name, competitors' names, and industry terms. The tool then scans social media, blogs, and forums for mentions. You could also add AI-powered sentiment analysis. For every mention, the AI assigns a sentiment: positive, negative, or neutral. This lets the user instantly see the overall vibe and prioritize what needs a response. Then you'll need real-time alerts. When a big mention happens, like a negative post going viral or an influencer shouting them out, the tool sends an immediate email or Slack alert. How about a weekly insights digest? To avoid overwhelm, the tool sends a simple weekly email report summarizing the key trends and most important mentions. Finding the sweet spot: current trends plus real demand. The key opportunity here is affordability and simplicity. By focusing on the core needs of a small business, brand monitoring, competitor tracking, and crisis alerts, you can create a fantastic product at a price they can actually afford, like $29 to $49 per month. You're selling them peace of mind and the power to control their brand's reputation. The next idea is a localized SEO rank tracker. For any business with a physical location, a plumber, a coffee shop, a law firm, showing up in local search and on Google Maps is everything. The local SEO software market is growing fast to meet this need, projected to reach $3.5 billion by 2030. The problem: tracking local SEO is tricky. Your search ranking can change from one neighborhood to the next. A generic tool might say you're number 1 for best pizza in your city, but 2 miles away in a key neighborhood, you could be on page 3. Business owners need to see how they're performing in the specific areas they serve, but enterprise tools are too broad and expensive. The solution is a hyper-local SEO monitoring tool. This tool is built to answer one question for a local business: how visible am I to my actual customers? Grid-based rank tracking is a killer feature. Instead of one ranking, the tool shows a grid on a map of their service area. Each point on the grid shows their search rank from that specific spot, giving them a true visual of their visibility. Another tool would be Google Business Profile GBP monitoring. The tool would track critical GBP metrics, ranking changes, new reviews, and even changes to their competitors' profiles, sending alerts for new reviews so they can respond quickly. Citation and review management is another great tool to offer. It would scan the web for mentions of the business's name, address, and phone number to ensure consistency, a key local ranking factor, and pull all their reviews into one dashboard. And for reporting, simple, actionable reports. Every week, the tool generates a one-page report that clearly shows their progress. No jargon, just here's your average rank, here are your new reviews, and here's one thing to do this week to improve. What makes this worth building in today's tech climate? The rise of mobile and near-me searches makes hyper-local visibility more critical than ever. The opportunity is to create a tool that is radically simple and focused only on what a non-technical local business owner needs. By providing clear, visual, and actionable insights, you empower them to get more customers. And last but not least is number 11, an automated affiliate video metrics tracker. Video is king, but proving its direct ROI is a huge challenge, especially for creators in affiliate marketing. They know video works, but they struggle to connect views to actual sales. The problem: a YouTuber reviewing products has affiliate links in the descriptions of hundreds of videos. To figure out which videos and products are actually making them money, they have to log into multiple affiliate dashboards, pull reports, and manually match that data with their YouTube analytics. It's so time-consuming that most creators just give up and guess what's working. A great solution is to build a unified video affiliate ROI dashboard. This tool would be the single source of truth for a video creator's affiliate income. Start by adding multi-platform integration. This tool connects to the YouTube API to pull video data, views, watch time, and to the APIs of major affiliate networks to pull sales data. Then add a feature for automated revenue attribution. This is the magic. The tool automatically links the revenue from a specific affiliate sale back to the exact video it came from. The dashboard would show your Drone X review video made $500 this month. Also, you'll need key performance metrics. The dashboard would calculate metrics that are currently impossible to get easily, like revenue per view, RPV, for each video. This shows creators at a glance which videos are their most valuable assets. You would follow this all up with a feature for opportunity insights. The tool could proactively give tips like, your video on budget laptops gets high views but has low affiliate revenue. Try adding links to newer models. Why this idea hits different right now? As the creator economy gets more serious, creators need better tools to run their businesses. This tool solves a complex, high-value data problem. It saves them dozens of hours a month and gives them the critical intelligence needed to decide what content to create next. By giving them clarity on what actually works, you're selling them a direct path to a bigger income. So, there you have it. A look at some of the most profitable and relevant micro SaaS ideas you can start building for 2025. We've cut through the generic advice to focus on specific validated opportunities that are popping up from the biggest shifts in tech and business. The common thread here is simple. Find a specific, painful problem for a defined audience and solve it with an elegant, focused tool. Whether it's the AI content engine saving marketers from burnout, the niche CRM that finally understands a therapist's workflow, or the video ROI dashboard that gives creators the business intelligence they need, the opportunity is clear. You don't need to build the next Salesforce to create a successful, profitable business. You just need to find a small group of people with a big headache and be the best aspirant they can find. The key is to ride the big waves of 2025, the intelligence of AI, the needs of the remote workforce, and the explosive growth of the creator and small business economies. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these ideas clicked with you the most? Is there a pain point in your own industry that a micro SaaS could solve? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. Your frustration could be the seed of the next great business. And of course, if you found this breakdown valuable and want more deep dives into building profitable online businesses, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and now go build something amazing.